Looking for the best travel yoga mat? Nothing can derail a determined yogi's journey towards well-being, even long-haul flights or business trips. If you're a yoga practicing traveler, an impromptu session here and there might be all that you need to take the edge off when the going gets tough. Knotted muscles after walking for hours, ruined diets, business meeting anxiety, it's about time to roll out a travel mat. But choose wisely. There are many products available to choose from, best travel yoga mats, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best travel yoga mats from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kiphecy Travel Yoga Mat. Bringing your practice with you. The Kiphecy Travel Yoga Mat is an excellent product for traveling yogis searching for a very portable model. Once your session is done, you can either fold it for easy stashing inside your backpack, or roll it up for easy carrying, using the bundle carry strap. Crafted from natural tree rubber, yes, it's eco-friendly, recyclable, biodegradable, and BPA, PVC, and phthalate-free, this yoga mat features a non-slip anti-skid microfiber suede top, and a natural rubber base that offers an excellent grip. Best of all, it's machine washable, so you can toss it directly in the washer and hang it to air dry. The upper surface is sweat absorbent and perfect for hot yoga, but if you're doing poses that require extra traction, you can flip the yoga mat over, so you can practice on the stickier side. Pros. Reversible all-in-one surface for hot yoga and more demanding poses. Number 2. Premisole Folding Yoga Travel Pilates Mat. Looking to travel with a yoga mat on a plane? The Premisole Yoga Travel Mat allows you to level out your chakras and do yoga just about anywhere. Striking an outstanding balance between thickness and portability, the Premisole Folding Yoga Mat is 1/4 inch thick and made from embossed and cushioned rip-resistance PVC material. It's also surprisingly lightweight and folds to a small size, perfect for even the smallest backpacks. I love the minimalist design, which comes in 7 vibrant colors, including azalea pink, coral red, Django green, and quartz purple. Though it's lightweight and easy to carry around, users love how it's easy on the knees, joints, or ankles. The surface also offers excellent traction for more demanding yoga poses. Pros. Great thickness. Incredibly lightweight. Excellent wear resistance for years and years of yoga. Cons. Doesn't come with a travel bag, but the small size is perfect for backpacks of all sizes. Number 3. Gaiam Foldable Yoga Mat. Traveling shouldn't mean doing away with your personal well-being, but let's face it, lugging around a yoga mat can leave you burdened. With a thickness of just 2 mm, this mat is the best travel yoga mat for yogis looking for a lightweight and portable option. It's crafted from non-toxic and super safe PVC that offers a sticky texture for stable footing and more control on your poses. After a workout, just wipe it clean, and it's ready for your next session. The Gaiam yoga mat weighs only 1 pound and is just the perfect size for stashing inside your tote or carry-on bag. The stylish designs are also a big plus. Mat folds up nicely, making it perfect for weekend getaways, extended retreats or trips across town, and the park or on the beach. Pros. Ultra-thin 2 mm design. Perforated lines for easy folding and easy body alignment. Easily fits inside any tote. Number 4. Toplus Travel Yoga Mat. If you're looking for the best yoga travel mat, this one's an Amazon favorite. Crafted from rubber materials and soft suede, this yoga mat offers just enough protection for intermediate yogis. It doesn't contain toxic plasticizers, harmful to eyes, or PVC, so it's friendly on your skin as well. The double-layered structure guarantees that the mat never moves, so you always get a sturdy base when you're balancing out your chakras. Great for hot yoga, the natural suede lining is sweat absorbent and doesn't become damp or slippery. Done doing your stretches? Roll or fold the mat and take it anywhere with you. Each purchase also comes with its own carrying bag. Pros. Soft suede material offers superior comfort to knees and joints. Double layer structure for maximum traction. Hand wash friendly. Cons. A bit too thin for more demanding yoga poses. 1-year warranty for free replacement or full refund. Number 5. Gaiam Foldable Travel Yoga Mat. If you're looking for the best non-slip travel yoga mat that offers the most bang for your buck, the Gaiam Foldable Travel Yoga Mat is a great choice. It's crafted from high-quality rubber materials that are gentle on your skin and offer excellent traction on solid surfaces. The comfortable suede exterior is sweat-absorbent, making it perfect for hot yoga, and you can easily wipe it down in between uses. Non-slip properties and body alignment lines help you perfect every position. Just adjust your hands and feet according to the surface lines to make sure you're performing your best. It's a great travel yoga mat for beginners, especially for those with sensitive knees and joints, as it offers an outstanding level of cushioning. Pros. Sweat-absorbent suede material. Alignment lines that help you with poses. Comes with a 96-inch yoga stretch band and carrying case. Cons. Rubber underside is great for solid surfaces, but may slip on carpets. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.